Toyota GR86 MY2025 minor update with sharper controls and ultra green for the Japanese market. Toyota has tweaked the GR86 slightly for its 2025 look in the Japanese market, focusing on what's truly important for car enthusiasts. That's control, and Toyota claims to have leveraged the insights gained from the racetrack to give it an even more unique driving sense. The upgrade focuses on sharper vehicle control and a more connected road feel. Toyota has customized shock-ups and electric power steering to provide better response, improving road grip. Toyota also fine-tuned throttle control in the normal gear version to provide a more straight connection between the foot and engine. But for the automatic, Toyota engineers have improved gear shift to help make gear shift smoother and more responsive. Of course, debuts require a special edition, and that's why Toyota unveiled the RZ Ridge Green Limited, with only 200 scheduled production cars. The vehicle will feature striking green, paired with 18-inch bronze wheels and wrapped in 215/40ths R18 high-performance tires. The cabin interior has also been upgraded, featuring luxuriously patterned embroidery and two-tone sporty black seats with tan suede and alloy trim. For GR86 standard model, the price starts at 3,195,000 yen or around 740,000 baht, excluding Thailand import tax. For ordinary gear model, and 3,293,000 yen or about 770,000 baht, excluding Thailand import tax for automatic gear model. The Ridge Green Limited model is slightly higher, starting at 3,897,000 yen or around 900,000 baht, not including Thailand import tax for ordinary gear model and 3,995,000 yen or around 930,000 baht, not including Thailand import tax for automatic gear. For the Ridge Green Limited model, those who pre-order must be selected through a raffle by today, July 28th. Thank you for watching and sharing.